it's been a while I didn't post a video because I'm just by myself. I didn't go anywhere, so that's why. And so today is December 28th. I'm just gonna show you what I'm gonna make. I'm gonna cook my food. That's my brunch. Oh no, actually it's my lunch and dinner. So, okay, let's start. So I'm gonna cook broccoli and young corn. I'm gonna chop that and I'm gonna boil that later. So let's start, guys. I'm gonna chop the young corn first. This is the first one I'm gonna boil. And we can't travel that much, and especially me because I don't know how to drive. I need to take taxi, and taxi here is so expensive. It's like 10 bucks. I mean that's 500 pesos back and forth. But right now we have a bus. What do you call that bus? Autokid bus. It's now 20 pesos. They have a schedule and it started at 7 a.m. until, if I'm not mistaken, until 7 to 11 or 10. It's like that. And then they will resume at 3 p.m. until 5 p.m. There you go. And also, the fare is only 20 pesos. And this is my food for a few days. Because I really don't cook every day. So now I'm gonna check the garlic. I'm just gonna boil it with salt. And then later, I'm gonna saute it with garlic, and that's it. Just add a little bit of seasoning, and that's my veggies, my food. Out cauliflower. After this is garlic and onions, and then the chicken. For the chicken, I'm just gonna cook with teriyaki sauce. That's it. I'm gonna put garlic, onions, and teriyaki, and some seasoning. This video, before I upload this on YouTube, I'm gonna show it to my baby first if it was okay for him that I'm gonna post this. So if you've seen this, that means he approved it. Get my trash. The trash is almost full. Oh, it smells good. It smells strawberry or grapes. The next I'm gonna chop is garlic and onions. This is the only onions I've got, so this is okay. Oh, I'm using your chili, baby.
You can't do anything about it.
I need to wash the vegetables now. Let's see. Need to wash it. Chicken. And we're good to go. I'm just gonna slice it into, it depends how big it is. So this one tree. I'm gonna boil this first, and then salt. Oh, it's pretty hot outside. I'm boiling yam corn. Look, this is my yard. It's kind of messy because it rained and then lots of leaves are falling. So that is our griller. My plants. See, I'm gonna show you. See my plants. I love that one. That's a Christmas, white Christmas, I think. And yeah. By the way, at the back, that's our motorbike. That's I think that's an Ace Raptor 400cc. We just use it like 4 times or 5 times, I don't know. Because my baby got injured, so we've been stuck. First, we've been stuck for 3 months because he cannot walk. And the next is the COVID. So, yeah. And then he left. That's why we didn't travel much this year. It's boiling now. Oh, wow. Let's wait for a while. And I'm warming the olive oil. Oops. This is good. Next is onion. That's good. And then I'm gonna put the chicken. Mix it and then wait till it's cooked. So I got the wrong fat for my broccoli. I'm just gonna add water. It's not enough. So, and this is my chicken right now. And this is my broccoli. I'm not gonna boil it too much. I don't want it too soft and I don't want it too hard too. So, okay. We have a little bit of our backyard. So we have a Mama Mary there. I'm sorry about the sounds. And that's a mango juice. Mango tree, not tree. And we have this Saint Gabriel. And look, my plants, there you go. Yeah. That's my chicken with teriyaki sauce. Yes! Kumakain pa ako! So, that's it guys. That's my food. Yeah. So, So that's it, guys. Hope you like my video. I'm going to eat now because I'm so hungry. And if you like my videos, please like and subscribe also to my channel. See you later. Bye.